Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the translator app for conversations on your iPhone 16e. So first, what we need to do is head over to the Translate app. And now, what we have to do is go to Conversation right at the bottom. Here we can select the language. As you guys can see, I'm going to choose Dutch for an example. And now here what we can do is click on this little icon here and start talking. As you guys can see, now we can replay it in other language. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.